Hi guys, my name is Nwodo and I'm going to be your instructor in this course, and I'm also going to be your instructor for the next 5 days. I am an instructor at Loctech IT Training Institute. I am currently the digital marketing manager at Loctech, and I'm going to be your guide throughout this journey. But for today, you can just call me Ricky. So we're actually going to be looking at what email marketing is and what campaign creation entails. But when people believe it's probably not for their business, a lot of organizations tend to ignore the power of email marketing and how it can actually help your business scale to much higher levels. So we're going to be discussing email marketing today, and for the next 5 days, we're going to be looking at it in-depthly. We're going to be creating top-notch campaigns. We're going to be looking at how to set everything up, how to build our first lists, and trust me, it's going to be packed, it's going to be action-packed, and it's going to be filled with a lot of value. So be sure to follow us. Okay, so let's look at the course outline. For day one, we're going to be looking at what email marketing is, understanding lead generation, and strategies to building your first email list. Now, you might have noticed that I mentioned lead generation. Now, in case you don't know what that is, trust me, I've got you covered. I'm going to be teaching you what all that is about. We're also going to be looking at strategies to building our first email list, which is basically the first thing any business wants to do. Your first email list just basically means the first set of emails that you're going to be having that you can use to market your offers, hopefully make some sales at the end of the day. Then on day two, we're going to be getting a little bit more practical. We're going to be importing members into whatever list you might have created. We're also going to look at segmentation and tagging. Now, a lot of businesses do not do segmentation and tagging. The power of email marketing particularly comes with personalized messaging. That's where the power is. And one of the things that you do in personalized messaging is actually segmentation. Segmentation just looks at how we can break our clients into different categories, but we're not going to talk about that right now. In day three, we're going to be creating our first campaign. Yes, if you've never created a campaign, guess what? You're going to be creating your first campaign. We're going to look at campaign planning and strategy. It's not just about having the email, and since you already have an email platform at your beck and call, you just probably want to send emails to literally everybody. No, we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be looking at how we can create proper professional emails that actually convert to measurable results, can convert to sales, can convert to actions, can actually convert to something useful, and not just sending emails randomly to everybody. So we're going to be looking at campaign planning and strategy development. Then we're going to be looking at how to prepare a winning email copy, which is really important. Your copy is going to be one of the major things that will determine whether your clients or the people on your list will take the action that you really want them to take on your list. Then we're also going to be looking at email automations. We're going to be looking at what I call the inbox hack. And finally, on day 5, we're going to be looking at building your first landing page. So if you've never built a landing page before, we're going to be building one from scratch. So at this point, I'm going to end this video for now. Be sure to check out the next video as we start our course. So thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video.